Okay. We got some chicken. We got some carne asada. It's time to eat. All right, so our chicken, our carne asada is all done. We got some rice cooking right now, so appreciate you guys joining me. I'm about ready to have some dinner, and I believe I've got some helpers here to help me, of course. That's the way it goes. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and click on that link tree so you can see some under the apron content, some kind of fun stuff that we do that we can't show on some of the social media platforms, but you know, it's always a good time. So thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye. Bacon goes on the bottom. Yep, this is some good stuff. Yeah, these are perfect. All right, let's get one of these going. It goes right on top. Tomato. Ooh. And looky there. That's it. This is what, in my household, we call a Cadillac muff sandwich. Now, I would eat it, but obviously it's got bacon on it, so I can't. And it's a little too spicy for me, so. But look at how amazing that is. All right, so here is our finished product, 2 Cadillac muffin sandwiches, ready to be eaten. I'm so excited, even though I don't eat these ones. But I'm gonna make my own now, because that's the beauty of these, that we could get all crazy and do whatever we want. So that's what I'm going to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed yourself. All right, so we're gonna let these sit for a little bit, let them cool just a little tiny bit, and then we're gonna plate everything up, okay? So I'll come back in a few and show you my finished product. All right, our habanero raspberry ribs are 100% done. I've got them all plated up. Got a little bit of corn on the cob on the side, nothing too crazy. It's time to try this out. Oh my goodness, look at how yummy that looks. Now, I would be tearing it apart with my hands, but I don't want to get barbecue sauce all over my fingernails, so. Perfect. A little sweet, definitely got a little bit of a kick to it. Just with the one habanero, which is plain. But I didn't even have to throw it on the barbecue grill, which was amazing. This was pretty damn easy, so I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully you'll try it, because it's a great recipe to try. It's easy to do in the oven, piece of cake, just low and slow. So thanks again for coming and watching me. Try something new in my kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Don't forget to click on that link tree to see some under the apron content. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hi guys, Becki-licious here. Now, one of my last recipes that we did on here was the cherry cheesecake lush. And you were not able to see the finished product because we had to let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. So I figured before we totally finish the entire pie, I better at least show you what the end result was. So as you can see, we've already eaten half of it. So I figured I'd better show you guys. So let me pull out a piece and you can see how perfect this came out. This is such a yummy, yummy, easy recipe. So, as you can see, nice and firm. Good stuff. Good stuff. So there you go. You at least got to see the end result, even if it was a little bit later. But that's okay. Better late than never.